Ang sinabi ko lang sa kanila is we have to play 48 minutes consistent basketball. So since our preparation for the last 4 days, yun lagi yung pinipraise ko sa mga players ko because NLEX is a very second half team. They will play very hard in the second half. That's why I want my players to play consistent basketball for 48 minutes. No, we expect the runs eh. And yun din yung laging, kumbaga yun sa off-season, yun yung binigyan ko ng pansin sa mga players ko. Because last conference, that's our problem. Pag nag-runs yung kalaban, nararattle kami. So now, we stay composed, we stop the runs, tapos kami naman yung nag-run. So siguro, yun lang yun. Medyo naging matured na rin siguro yung mga players. They know how to win. They know how to play. They know how to close games. I think mas ano sila ngayon, mas focus, mas agresibo, at mas may gusto silang patunayan.